mission to discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're taking you on a 3-day family adventure exploring beautiful Port Macquarie, New South Wales. But before we begin, we'd like to give a huge thank you to the Jadraque family for inviting us to this trip. We truly appreciate your kindness and generosity. Thank you for creating wonderful memories with us. Now, let's hit the road. Our road trip started early from Sydney. Our first stop was the Bulahdelah Way Rest area, a peaceful place beside the beautiful Tamayo River. It was the perfect spot to stretch our legs, breathe in the fresh country air, and recharge before continuing our journey north. Our second stop was the Stonham Park in Tuncurry, New South Wales. We ended up staying here much longer than planned because Callie absolutely loved the playground. Afterwards, we explored the nearby rock pool. Even though it looked inviting, the weather was just too cold for a swim. So instead, we took a relaxing walk along the beach. And wow, the sunset here was simply breathtaking. Life becomes beautiful when we slow down long enough to appreciate moments like this. Watching the golden sky reflect over the ocean reminded us that some of life's greatest treasures are completely free. Callie had the best time collecting seashells along the shore, creating little memories she hopefully remembers for years. As we walked back to our car, we noticed something really special. Many of the rocks were fitted with memorial plaques, each one honoring someone's life and memory. It was a beautiful reminder of how places can hold stories that last forever. Good morning from the beautiful Port Macquarie. We stayed at the lovely club Wyndham, Flynns Beach, which was the perfect base for exploring the area. Before we even woke up, John started a morning with a short run around the neighborhood. It's always one of his favorite ways to discover a new place. Our first destination was the Sea Acres Rainforest Centre, one of Port Macquarie's must-visit attractions. The elevated rainforest boardwalk costs approximately $11 for adults, $5.50 for children, and around $28 for a family pass. Sea Acres is home to one of Australia's largest remaining coastal rainforests, featuring a beautiful elevated boardwalk surrounded by towering trees, lush greenery, birds, and native wildlife. The walk is easy, peaceful, and suitable for the whole family. Joining us on this adventure were Atalea, Ate Precious, Lali, Lily, Kuya Gilbert, Nicole, Cheska, Guada, Daryl, Nico, and Kuya Chito. Walking together through the rainforest made the experience even more memorable. After the rainforest, we headed to Tacking Lighthouse. Built in 1879, it's one of Australia's oldest lighthouses and offers spectacular panoramic views of the coastline. John was hoping to fly his drone a little farther, but the winds were incredibly strong, so he only managed to capture these shots. During whale migration season, this is also one of the best places to spot whales. Unfortunately, they were too far away from us to see clearly, but thankfully, another visitor captured this amazing drone footage. Later that afternoon, we visited Town Beach Park. Hallie had so much fun riding her bike around the park. We were honestly amazed by how much her confidence has grown. Watching her ride around with a huge smile reminded us how quickly children grow up. Then came another unforgettable sunset. True wealth isn't measured in money. It's found in having the time to pursue what brings joy and fulfillment. As we watched the sun slowly disappear beyond the ocean, we felt incredibly grateful. This was our first family holiday traveling together with the Jadraque family, and it's something we'll always treasure. After a full day of exploring, we returned to the hotel. The heated pool was exactly needed after all the walking. It was warm, relaxing, and the perfect way to end another amazing day. On our final morning, John started the day with another run. This time, we explored the Flynns Beach all the way to Nobbys Beach. Running beside the ocean while watching the sunrise was a perfect way to say goodbye to Port Macquarie. Before heading back to Sydney, we made one last stop at Billabong Zoo, Koala and Wildlife Park with Kuya Gilbert and Ate Leia. General admission is approximately $42 for adults, $25 for children, with family passes also available. The zoo is home to koalas, kangaroos, crocodiles, reptiles, big cats, and many other Australian native and exotic animals. We definitely recommend arriving early in the morning because there are plenty of keeper talks and animal shows throughout the day. Unfortunately, we arrived quite late and only managed to watch the crocodile feeding. That's definitely one more reason for us to come back. And we absolutely will. What an incredible 3 days! From peaceful rivers and stunning beaches to ancient rainforests, spectacular sunsets, family adventures, and unforgettable memories. Port Macquarie truly surprised us. A huge thank you once again to the Jadraque family and the Tamayo family for inviting and making this trip so special. We genuinely appreciate your generosity, your friendship, and the wonderful memories we created together. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more family adventures as we continue exploring Australia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.